So there we goes. Another day, another journey with the Velo. So I was this weekend I was searching for the information about this engine, what I did on it, everything what I did, and I know it had a lot of work, like these gears, the pump was new, and this was new, those were new, this one too, the other side too, the cylinder was rebored, so a lot of work. But what is now the problem? Okay, everybody was saying like, oh, is the pump something? No, the gear is correct on the pump. Let's see. The problem is that this one, at the end of the crankshaft, okay, if the crankshaft is not straight at the end, okay, it's not in a line, then it's going to do a little bit like this. And that's what's happened. So this one, it wasn't rotating perfectly. It was rotating like this. And that's why it damaged. And I thought it was the pump, but it isn't. So after searching all the work that I did, I was looking if we did open the big end, and we didn't open it because it's good. The big end actually is good. This last week we opened it to double check, like, okay, what is the problem? How far it goes the problem? So we split it, and the big end is perfect. It's just brand new, you know. There's nothing on the big end happening, but the problem is in the side of the crankshaft, where the connection between the big end and the flywheel. Okay, there is a hole, a conical one, and one is perfect, but in the other side, what is this one, okay, has like 0.2 of, I don't know how to say it, like the hole is too big, or that looks like it. And I think that that's the problem, that it when I bring it to Frank, we put it on the table, or we put it in like a holder, and we expected, and actually the flywheel, the left one and the right one weren't in a line. It was a little bit off, like a tiny little bit, not even a millimeter, but it was already a little bit like a movement. So what I was looking is if I mount that one or not, and we didn't. So that I'm happy about that. Now I need to contact the owner, let him know the problem, and then figure it out a solution. Because the flywheel, now I need to look it up. I don't know if I can find any. Because if I can not find one, then we will need to machine it, and it's gonna be a really expensive job. So let's see. I don't know. Let's see. So let's do a little bit of computer work, and then make a plan. Let's see. Another day, another journey. Yesterday, I finished my clutch. Actually, I needed to open it twice because the first time I built it, it wasn't working properly, and I don't know why. And later on, I found out that there is like a lever, the one you pull in the hand and the one you pull there, the clutch, and that one was turned. So it didn't do the full ration movement, so it was only half of it. So I took the cover out, I checked that because I saw already, I'm like, maybe this one, it got loose, out of place, and it was that. So yes, and now I have a clutch, voila, again on the back. It was pretty used. the last two friction plates were pretty worn down, and yeah, it makes a really big difference now. If I open the gas, the bike it just goes. So no more spinning, no more clutch spinning. Today I will change the gas cable and maybe the seat because it has a crack on it. But first I want to work on the Norton gearbox. Let's see if I can figure it out why it's stuck. I will show it now. And go to the company because yesterday I called to the company for the parts, for the Dominator parts, and still they did. I think Monday they are closed. I think because yeah, right now, yeah, yesterday I called and they didn't pick it up. So okay, let's go. So I did a test. I pulled this one out, first of all, because I saw, now I was testing it, when you have the whole thing, it locks in here and it's not moving that much. But I pull it out and now you can see that this one is really worn down, like, okay? So I'm gonna make this one new. I found the problem. So the main shaft is good, but the lay shaft, I think is the word, lay shaft. If you put it here. So this way you can see how much it is. It's a lot. So that's what's happening. Almost ready. So the seat is done. The shocks are clean now. And now I need to fix this one. This one I took it because it gives some problems. It was giving me some problems, so at the end I decided to just take it out. So if somebody buy the motorcycle, they don't have any problem. So yeah, this one, it did work for a year or so, and after that I always had problem with it. Okay, so another day, another journey. Finally, I got something. So let's start with this lady. First of all, fix the handlebars because I'm waiting for a rubber that it goes here underneath, and yeah, I didn't get it, so I will put a washer in the meantime so I can ride the bike. Then let's see, I need to do the timing, put the cable, the timing, double check everything on the bike, like the screws and everything. And then, yeah, then we can go for a test ride, so nice. So there he goes. See some timing, so good to go. And yeah, let's put this cover back, and the other one, this one, I need to tie up this one still. And yeah, she runs nice. Oh, okay, brand new. Okay, but okay, that's nice, it's good. Perfect. Yes. So yeah, let's get ready and go for the first test ride. let's see. Okay, what was the problem? When well, you saw in the video, I didn't get any gear besides the first one. That was weird because when I tested here, I had all the gears. So the first thing I did when I put it on the bank, well here in the lift, sorry, I tested the gears and the gears were going in but jumping out. Why? I don't know, because I opened everything and I didn't see anything. So what I did to try out, I changed the selector. I moved the quadrant. Let's see, first one teeth up to see if it makes a difference, and it didn't. I put it backwards, so 2 down. So I put first gear, I put it the first teeth, you know, and then bam, was perfect. Then all the gears and everything was going well, and no problem at all. I tested a few times before I closed it, and then everything was good. So I guess that the problem was that she was one teeth out of place. That's all. So yeah. Let's put it back. I mean, if I put it back is this, and the exhaust, put it in place, and then take it on the road. Let's see. Let's go.
Just the tire, but the tire is too square. So when I went in this round, then whoop, the bike went, I think so. Because no play here or in the old section. Everything is straight. Well, the only thing I don't like on her right now is first gear, rats. Yeah, it doesn't engage perfectly. It's just, you can hear that like, rick. It should go, just go. So I will need to check that. Besides that, the rear brake can go a little bit tighter. And the rest just feels good. Massa! Hey, Bonneville, Bonneville, hè?
Ik was net hier, maar je was er niet. Dus ik denk, oh, die zal wel rijden, zijn bezorgd. Dit is mooi.
Ja, hè?